Hello everyone, good evening. Today on 23rd October 2024, I would like to discuss on two things when you people are connected with Salesforce. One is Trailhead, second one is help.salesforce.com, where you'll get all the relevant documents. Developer.salesforce.com to get more information on developing things. Trailhead is just recently they celebrated their 10th anniversary. Trailhead is a learning platform created and managed by Salesforce, where you people will be creating your own profile there. Okay. For some learning purposes, for training purposes, I have created a new email address since you can create any number of email addresses. Okay. This is the email address which I've created only for learning purpose. Okay. Just to showcase you people, what do people have to do. Having said that, so Trailhead is what I would like to start off with. When you go with trailhead.com, it will navigate you people to a different URL. Okay, this is the main domain, which will be redirecting you people to trailhead.salesforce.com, if I'm not wrong. Okay. So once it is redirecting to that, I don't know why it is too slow today. Okay. You can see trailhead.salesforce.com. This is where it will be navigated to you people first. Try to sign up here, which is for free. Okay, which is for free. Get started for free, or you can sign up here also. I'll click on the sign up button. It's a very simple application form which you can fill it up. Okay, and you can go with it. Okay. So see, currently I'm trying to use my Gmail for that. So you can specify Gmail, Google, or Salesforce, Tableau, or others. Since I am using Gmail account directly, I'll click on Google, and probably you'll be getting a verification code which should verify, and then we can keep moving. This is a very brand new email which I've created only for the learning purposes, on training purposes, and to give some recordings on Trailhead, developer.salesforce.com, or on Marketing Club. Once this is completed, you should specify some basic details of yours, and you're good to go from there. Okay, it's a very, very, very simple application form. Okay, so along with that, meanwhile, when it is loading, try to create at least one developer account to learn about Salesforce CRM, which will be developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Okay. Try to create one developer account to learn more on Salesforce CRM side. So here it is still loading. Just wait for it. Let it load. Okay, this is the email ID. I'll click on continue. Perfect. Okay, you have to specify your country, your state, agree, and next. Once you sign up, so there are a couple of things which you people should know. If you're very new to Trailhead, you should specify your company name. You should specify, you can specify any role of your choice. That is absolutely fine. It doesn't affect your learning in Trailhead. I'll go with architect, Salesforce relationship. I'll go with partner. I'll click on next. I'll click on continue. When you are here, you will be given some ranks, some ranges and all, so which you can explore, which I'll be training as and when we progress. Okay. Having said that, on the right top, you'll see your profile. The first thing what you people have to do when you log in, go to your profile and ensure that you are giving this URL edited, which will be acting as your profile. Okay. I'll tell you why it is required. So here it is salesforce.com Trailblazer. I'll change this to Chandra SFMC training. I'll be not sharing this with any of my team members or others. So I'll just click on save. You can give your desired URL there. That is the first thing which I always prefer to ensure that you people do it. So I have this URL now. Okay. That is one thing which you people have to do. Currently, my profile informs me that I have 0 badges, 0 points, and 0 trials. Along with that, number of certifications which I have 0. Obviously, it's a very new, brand new account of Salesforce. Trailhead, super badges 0, badges 0, everything is 0, right? Once you people are here, so you can change your first and last name. I'll go with Chandra Prasad. It is taking from, you can change any time, that is fine, but not the URL. URL try to prepare. This is the profile URL, which should be requested with many interviewers. When you people go for your Salesforce interviews, Salesforce CRM, Marketing Cloud, or anything which is under the umbrella of Salesforce, I would like to show you people that in my account, which I'll be using for my learning purpose. This is the actual account which I manage. And here I'll show you the number of certifications which is required. When you go for the interviews, they might request, okay, how many certifications you have? This is where they validate it. Okay, this is where they validate it to know, do you really have those certifications under your filter? I've already signed up here. One minute, just 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So this is my actual profile. What you observe here, I'm a double ranger, double star ranger, 267 badges, 1,30,737 costs. Okay, that is one thing. Now, if I go to my profile, this is what you people will be building down the line. Okay, it's not, it will happen in one day. 267 badges, 1,30,000, 46 trials. Okay, and then I have 14 certificates. Okay, this is what you people will be building down the line. Okay, now, okay, so now this is my brand name. So try to create your, okay. So currently, good with this. Now I'm trying to show how to create it. It's very simple. Fill up the form. You'll get a new username, password, and this will be used for your learning on Salesforce CRM. It's not that you have to mandatorily learn it. It would be good that you know the fundamentals of CRM using Salesforce. Okay, I'll just try to fill out this form. Chandra Prasad R. Your actual email address. You have to fill your actual email address here. Your job role, anything, your company name, I'll name it as SFMC Training Solution. Okay, you can name it anything. I'll select my country, state, your postal code, and the username. You can choose your username exactly your email address, or you can also have it in a way it should be looking like an email address. Developer.gmail. I'm just using a different format. It should be looking like an email address. I'll just select, and then sign me up. Okay. Once it is done, you will actually receive an email. And for the first time, so you know what is Trailhead now. So try to go with it. Yeah, I'll close this. And this is there. And I should receive an email from developer.salesforce.com, or I'm not sure the subdomain, but I'll be receiving an email. Once I receive the email, I'll be resetting my password, the password which I would like to keep it. And I'll be using login.salesforce.com. This will be my login URL. This will be my username, and anything as my password which I've selected to choose after receiving the email. Well, let's wait for a minute. Probably it might take a minute or two. Okay. Okay, once it is there, I'll try to showcase you people tomorrow on the same. We covered on two things, Trailhead and others. Thank you very much. It would be great if you people can start working on it. As and when we progress, we'll be learning on it. Thank you.